You can't have a fantastic tailgate if you don't have the right vehicle. So here to get us tailgate ready is Autotrader's executive editor, Brian Moody. Brian, you ready for some football?
Yes, I'm ready for football. I'm ready to eat snacks. I like the snacks more than I like the game. I hate to say it.
What kind of features in a car can improve the overall tailgate experience?
Well, there are certain things you can add, like you can either get the car this way or you can add it like, say, Bluetooth speakers. You might want a car with a power outlet in the back. You might want little trash rings where you can throw away your garbage inside. Also, all-weather mats in case someone wants to go inside because they're too cold. That kind of thing are things you can add to your car to make it a little bit more tailgate friendly.
All right. Are there any helpful hacks that you can give to fans to equip the vehicles for the ultimate game day?
The first thing is bring some garbage bags. And surprisingly, a lot of cars, especially minivans, will even have a built-in little ring where you can line a garbage can in there. I would also invest in some all-weather mats for the back so that if anything spills or food gets in there, or say people want to sit inside and they don't want to hang out outside, then their shoes or their mud or their food won't mess up your car. So if you just bring those few things, that can make your tailgating a lot more fun.
Tell us what's best. What model is best for a tailgate and why?
Well, there's a couple that are really good. One of them is the GMC Sierra 1500. That's a full-size pickup. And the reason that it's so cool is because it has this super trick tailgate. It folds down halfway or it folds down in the middle, will drop out so that it can be a step to get into the bed. And you can even include a Bluetooth speaker system in the tailgate so you can play music right there where you're sitting at the back of the truck. That's super cool. Also, the Chrysler Pacifica, that comes as a hybrid, meaning you can plug it in and charge it up. And the reason this one is so cool is because it's a minivan, of course, so many people can sit inside, but you can actually leave the car on without the gas engine running. And one more, the Volvo XC60 T8, that's a plug-in hybrid also. And the reason this one is so cool is because it's got a small overall footprint, meaning easy to park, but also it has air suspension with a control in the back. So if you have all your food in the back, you can actually lower it so that it's easier to get to and it's not so clunky like, say, a big truck or something like that.
We want our tailgate to go throughout the whole season. What are some tips that you have that we can plan ahead for?
Well, one thing you can plan ahead for is make sure that you know what your car can do. So some cars have a power outlet in the back, but make sure that you know whether that works or not with the car running or with the car off, because you could run the battery out. Make sure the battery is good before you go tailgating.
All great information, Brian. I can't wait to get to the tailgate. Thank you so much.
Yep, thank you.
For more information, just head to Autotrader's website.